everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm so glad that you are here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you keto pork chops. I got this recipe from delish.com and it is definitely delicious. We're going to start out with some delicious boneless pork chops. We're going to add some mushrooms, some grated Parmesan cheese, some heavy cream, and spinach with only 4.5 net carbs per serving. I know you guys are going to love this dish because it definitely fits within your keto lifestyle. So stick around and I'm going to show you how to make it. All right, everybody, we're going to begin this recipe by seasoning our pork chops, and I've got some boneless pork chops right here, and I'm going to season them with some Himalayan pink sea salt and a spicy garlic seasoning. So I'm going to season both sides very liberally with this seasoning. And I'm going to also add pepper. All right, now we're going to turn them over and do the same thing on the other side. So right here, I'm going to add some avocado oil to the bottom of my skillet. And right here, we're going to come on in with our seasoned pork chops. Put them on in. All right, while these are cooking, let's go ahead and cut up our mushrooms. All right, so now let's go ahead and slice up our mushrooms. We're going to need 8 ounces of mushrooms. So I'm going to go ahead and slice these on up. All right, our mushrooms are chopped and ready to go. All right, now it's time to flip these pork chops on over. Oh yes, that is perfect. Yes, amazing. All right, our pork chops are ready. So now I'm going to remove them from the heat. I'm going to place them in this container here and keep them in the oven so that they'll stay on warm. I got the temperature in the oven set on warm. And we're going to go in now with our mushrooms. All right, and we're going to cook these until they're softened for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to go in with our garlic here in just a little bit. All right, our mushrooms have softened, so now we're going to go on and add our garlic in. This smells absolutely amazing. All right, guys, so the garlic has been cooking for about a minute. Now we're going to add the remainder of our ingredients. So we're going to add 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to add 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano. Then we're going to season with some pink Himalayan salt and a pinch, just a pinch of red pepper flakes. All right, let's go ahead and mix that together. All right, everybody, our sauce has come to a simmer and the sauce has thickened really, really nicely. So now we're going to add our 3 cups of spinach. And we're going to cook this until it wilts down completely. It's a lot of goodness going on here, guys. guys, so we're gonna return our pork chops back into the skillet. All right, and we've got all this delicious juice here. We're not gonna let all that flavor go to waste. We're gonna put it right back in the skillet there. We're gonna cook this for another 5 to 10 minutes or so until it is heated all the way back through. And then, yeah, our meal is done. It's gonna be time to serve this up on a plate. And I am ready, guys, because this smells fabulous. All right, everybody, keto pork chops are ready. Let's give this a taste. I am so excited. I'm trying to make sure I get some spinach and stuff in here too. And cheese and some of that delicious creamy sauce. Got a little bit of everything. Ooh, mushrooms. Here we go. Magnificent. I didn't get enough mushrooms. I don't know if I got any in there. You all, this is wonderful. This is absolutely delicious. It's rich. That sauce is creamy. Those mushrooms are delicious and meaty. The spinach, oh my God, just the little earthiness from the spinach taste is just what this needed. Of course, you have delicious, succulent pork chops. As you all know, I've said it before, I'm not a pork chop eater, but from time to time when I do have it, it's got to be delicious. And this dish is definitely delicious. Okay, everybody, that is it for another video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Thank you so much for joining me today. As I always say, it is definitely a pleasure to have you here in the kitchen with me. This dish is delicious. It was so quick, easy, and just delicious. And you guys have got to give it a try. I'm serious. I had this done in less than 30 minutes. Make sure you give this one a try. Until the next video, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'll talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye.